anything the world had ever seen. Dr. Justus MD Attorney at Law. A courtroom/medical drama following the adventures of John Justus, both a doctor and a lawyer. Cited as too bold, too daring, and too shocking for audiences. They cut the program after only one episode, never to be seen by America. Until now. Opening in the waiting room of County General Hospital, we now bring you an episode of one of the greatest shows of all time. Dr. Justus, MD, Attorney at Law.
The emergency room sure is slow tonight. Hey, Dr. Hancock, would you like to read this hair and makeup magazine?
Oh, all right. Although I'm a doctor, I suppose I'm still a woman at heart. And besides, I think the emergency room will be rather boring tonight.
Objection! This night just got a hell of a lot more interesting.
Dr. Justus!
MD, Attorney at Law. Nurse, give me 1,000 cc of nitroglycerin stat.
What's going on here, John?
This man was stabbed in the heart 10 times.
What happened?
I found him at the scene of a crime. This was next to him.
A tape recorder?
Yes, play it.
I don't hear anything!
Exactly.
You mean?
That's right. The murdering mute.
Doctor! His vitals are failing!
It's his heart. I'll have to revive it by hand. Scalpel!
But doctor, the anesthesia hasn't kicked in yet. You can't do that. It's unorthodox.
Overruled! Try telling him what's unorthodox when he's dead! Here we go! Ah! Blood everywhere! Please hand me the defibrillator. Head clear!
You're a good man. An even better doctor/lawyer. I hold you in no way legally responsible for my death.
He's dead. Nurse, call it.
I can't.
And why the hell not?
Because he's my husband.
I'll call it. Time of death, 11:47 p.m. Damn it! Another one lost to the murdering mute!
John!
I don't have time for feelings. I have to be in court in an hour.
John, you can't keep doing this to yourself. You've been up for 72 hours straight.
Maybe you'd be up that long too, if the serial killer who murdered your wife was still on the loose.
Oh, I guess you're right. I'm sorry. I'm a woman, you see. Jealousy and arousal cloud my judgment. But John, you need a break. And I can prove it to you.
Oh yeah? How?
Exhibit A! You did all you could back there.
Objection.
Exhibit B! They work you too damn hard.
Irrelevant.
Exhibit C! I'm in love with you.
I'll allow it. But first, sign these prenuptials.
Of course. After all, you're a doctor and a lawyer. Done.
Court adjourned.
Sadly, the clip ends there. Though you've no doubt seen a few familiar faces. Daniel Day-Lewis as Dr. John Justus. Meryl Streep as Dr. Elizabeth Huxley. And Rosie O'Donnell as Bleeding Man. Though its genius is now undisputed, Dr. Justus may never know the audience it truly deserves. Tune in next week for a viewing of Titanic 2, Revenge of Titanic. For the only thing that can stop the Titanic, another Titanic.